Okay, hey guys, how you guys doing? So we're gonna look at this problem, ASTAC Exam 1, problem number 6. Um, it's given that x is normal, mean is 1, variance is 4, and it says find the probability that x squared minus 2x is less than or equal to 8. So this problem is confusing to me because the first thing I'm looking at is this probability here. I'm thinking, what the hell are they talking about? So, of course, I want to move this 8 over and do some stuff. That's the first thing I do, and I've always made a mistake on that. So before I get there, let me look right here and see what they gave us is already x is normal. And we know we can find a probability of a normal by using the z-score. So let's go ahead and state what the z-score would be, and that is the trick here. That x minus mu divided by sigma is our z-score, and we know our z-score, that's x minus 1, and the variance is 4. So our standard deviation is 2. So our z-score would look like this. And so for the purpose, what we need to do is we need to make this look like that. So you say, well, how do you do that, Chris, right? How do you make that look like that? Well, we know that we want x minus 1, so why don't we just go ahead and just say, why don't we do x minus 1 times itself, right? The usual x minus 1 squared. Well, we know what that looks like. That looks like that. Well, that's pretty close to what this is right here, which is perfect. So let's go ahead and let's input this here. What we can do is we can say, hey, this is the probability that x squared minus 2x, and let's just add a 1 here, which means then if we just add a 1 here, we add on both sides, the inequality still holds. Perfect. Well then, we have, this is 9, and then we have exactly what we want, what this is. Now remember, we don't want this. What we want is this. We want x minus 1 squared. That's what we want. All right, we're almost done already. This is right. So remember, we just want x minus 1. We have to get rid of this square. Well, let's go ahead and square root it on both sides, and we can get rid of this. So we square root 9. We're going to get a 3. But remember, and this is the thing that we have to remember, right? We're really good at math here, that this could be positive or negative, because remember, we're squaring it, it comes from negative or positive. So then that is true. That is true. The probability that x minus 1 is between those two. Now, of course, we're not done. I mean, we're not stupid here. We didn't get the full z-score yet because we gotta get that 2. So like anything, let's divide it by 2, everything by 2, and then we get it. So negative 3 divided by 2 is, right, we know what that is. I'll just put it over here, negative 1.5. So this is negative 1.5, that's a minus. Now divide that by 2, that's exactly what we want, that z-score. There we go. Now we have our z. Now we have our z-score. And once we have z, we can go ahead and use what we know. (1.5) minus 1. And I think it was 8.6, answer D. So we divide by both sides, we get the 1.5. We got our z-score, and we don't have to put it there. I'm just showing you this exact z. I mean, you don't have to do that, but now because we have in the z-score exactly what we wanted, so now we can identify that we can now say that this probability is 2 times. I forgot what this is called at the moment. -1. Anyways.